Right, we're going to try Pleney red, not Pleney black, Pleney red. So I believe starts here. Let's see how we get on with this thing. Oh, there's a wee good double there. Wasn't paying attention. Oh, come on, Pete, get on it. Right, that's saying something about a gap, is it? Oh, I've got no chance. Come on, man. What's going on here? Not even paying attention. Right, let's get the speed up. A bit better. A wee bit of a case. Oh, I missed that one. We got that one though. Now these are pretty steep from what I remember. Right, here we go. Right, I'm going to go down this one. Whoa! Whoop! Something like that. One out of two isn't bad. Oh man, these lives are running out. Wow. This is bumpy as heck. This is a nightmare. Oh. Oh. Right then. That's crazy. Woo. Right, I know there's some more here, I believe. Is it a drop or something? I'm not... I could have sent that. I have to slow down just to stop that. There we go. Give that a little tap. Right, where are we now? Oh, it's this way, take it. These are steep. Cattle grid. Oh, this is the red. Nearly missed it. Going into the black then. Oh, what's that noise? What's that noise? Whoa. Yep. Oh, that could be brakes. That sounds like brakes. They've had enough. Yeah, that's brakes. Whoa. Whew. Yeah, it's definitely the brakes. Starting to go now. I'm not surprised, like they've been on more times than they've been off. very, very bumpy, braking bumps all over the place. Oh, oh the toboggan's jam-packed. Just above us, isn't it? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah.
Right in, man.
What's hurting, man? Ribs.
Ribs.
Yeah. Rear brake's gone.
Rear brake.
Rear brake gone. Complete gone.
Oh. You alright?
Oh, I am now, I think.
Take deep breaths. There, man. Take deep breaths, man. Oh. Did you scalp a rock?
No, I just had to. I seen this coming up and I didn't want to go down. It was just a front brake. My rear brake is just completely gone.
Oh. Like something's completely gave.
Yeah. Wow, that was a tumble. Just come down, as you may have heard me say, had a funny noise. It was when I was braking, but I didn't realise it was when I was braking. And then you realise your pads are starting to give way. Well, we got to here. And as you can see, that big scurry corner there, well, my rear brake failed here. Completely into the handlebars. I had no brake whatsoever. So I've tried to use my front brake to slow down, which obviously didn't work, and I went over the bars. Only looking at the footage will I know exactly what happened, but I'm okay. It was just a bit of a wind. Pads replaced, so I've got new pads in. We're going to go down, so I'll bed them in as we go down. Let's hope nothing else happens on the way down. Keep watching. Okay.
Make sure that brake's working around the
Yeah. Fingers crossed. Hopefully, I'm going to have to just take it easy now. Brake, okay, we're back on. So just hope that this, I'll be better than the brakes in as I go down, as you can better believe it. Yes, okay, it's, I can, yeah, let's not be crazy, let's not be crazy. That's better. Right, okay, now I can put my goggles down. Right, okay, let's go back on the trail. Right, this is one mad trail for the red. It's absolutely crazy. Right, let's get back on it. Oh, so long as it doesn't go mad straight down. At least I've got a brake. I've got a rattle though. I know, I've got... No, I think I'll give that a miss. After my little episode. Two-finger braking now. Right, these look okay to be doing okay on. Oh, doubles. Pump, pump, pump. And there's a big drop. Yeah, brake, 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 brake. Oh, he saved it. Yes. Brakes work. Wow. So there you have it. I think I can say I safely made it down of a fashion. So as you can see, I did in fact make it down in one piece, thankfully. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, think about subscribing, and until next time, keep practicing. Well done, Gav. Well done, Ed.
Cheers.
Well done, John. Woo.